wanted to give you all a little bit of an update on a service that I am now on that is brand new, and it is called ScaleAbout. And the way that this works is you can go to my ScaleAbout page, you'll see my profile there, some information about me and the services I offer, or you can just ask me your random burning questions and I will do my best to answer them. Now, I know that we do interact here on YouTube quite a bit in the comments, and I always do my best to answer your questions, but this takes it to a whole other level. You know I'm definitely going to be seeing these questions, and I'd say there's about a 99% chance I'm going to answer the questions as long as it's not something super weird. And the way I think of this is a really fun way to collaborate. I've set up some services that are basically an opportunity for me to collaborate directly with my subscribers and give them really specialized, fine-tuned advice that is applicable to their specific needs and questions. And it also gives me the opportunity to really research a question in depth if I'm not completely sure about certain aspects of it, and make sure that I'm giving you the absolute best, most detailed information rather than sort of a one-size-fits-all, which is what I basically try to do in most of my videos. So for example, one of the specific services I'm going to offer is basically collaborating with you on a DIY. Maybe you have a concept of something you want to make and you're really not sure exactly how to execute it. So I definitely have a long history of DIYing all sorts of things on my channel and in my personal life that I don't always document for all of you. So I definitely have a lot of resources and expertise and trial and error on my side with those types of things, and that can be really helpful to some of you maybe if you're trying to get started with something, you don't know exactly what to do, and you know that I've managed to pull it off before or have just tested all of these things before. I've already started answering questions on the platform. The first one I did was about a very specific skincare need, and I know that a lot of you are going to have some of these questions that are very, very specific, and I'd love to be able to dedicate more time to answering those types of questions. So since this service is brand new and just getting started, ScaleAbout is offering a 25% discount on the first 50 services purchased on the platform. So a service could be something that's pre-designed by me, or it could just be one of your questions that you've thought up and you really want an answer to. And additionally, the first 5 people to purchase services specifically from me will also receive 1 coupon for an additional free service. So I hope you guys head on over to ScaleAbout. I will put the link in the description below for you guys to try it out, as well as that coupon code to get your free service when you purchase a service from me. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you'll head on over to ScaleAbout, check it out, see what it's about, and hopefully give us the opportunity to interact a little bit more.